my brothers and sisters, and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and friends. And tonight, before we crack on, I am wearing this in homage to my beloved Oldham Athletic, where Paul Scholes has fucked off after 7 games. And everything's true that I'm hearing, I don't blame him either. You know what I mean? Why manage a team when you can't manage it? But less said that, the better. We're here because I've got some peanut butter chicken. I haven't yet, I ain't done it. But I've got some chicken fillets, I've got some peanut butter, I'm going to roll them in breadcrumbs, deep fry them, and slide them down me gizzard.
Is the game we play. We are the boys in blue. We play football.
So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm not saying this is the right way to do it, because I never get it right, do I? Right, first of all, let's get our peanut butter in a bowl. Right, that'll do. I'm only doing 2 chicken fillets because it's just me eating it, right? No one else has had it. The whole rest of the people here have had McDonald's, the fat bastards. Last of my olive oil. Just to try and loosen it up a bit. I bought the crunchy one by accident. I'm a dickhead. And all I want to do is I want to try and mix this up into so it's a bit more lucid, a bit more of a paste, and it'll be easier to coat my chicken fillet in it. So, I'll see you in about 3 hours. Before we start dipping our chicken in the peanut butter, can you see my breadcrumbs there? Yes. I've added some cayenne pepper. Let's hope it gives it some kick. Right, should we go for this? There is my chicken fillet. Right? I don't know how this is going to work. I don't know if this is going to work. At all, I'll be honest. It's just an idea I had, and I thought I'd give it a try. Now listen, don't worry about the mess. I will clean up after myself afterwards. Now, that has got a rake of peanut butter on it. I'm just going to drop it in the breadcrumbs. And I want it to cover it, don't I, really? Oh. Yeah, it might sound strange. It might sound disgusting. I think it's going to be mighty fine. But that is number 1 done. I will crack on with number 2, and I will drop it in this red hot oil. Well, as you can see, that oil is far hotter than it should be. So what I'm going to do, it's 192 degrees centigrade, right? Celsius, sorry. I'm going to bang it down a notch on the oven, but I'm going to delve in with my chicken anyway. So, because I'm starving and I'm impatient. Slowly does it. That's 1. Like I said, I'm only doing 2. There's only me eating this shit. Right? And there goes my second one. Now, I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to cook these for, but I think 15 minutes is about the right ballpark. I will check them with my thermal probe before I eat them. Honest. Right, so I will see you in 15 minutes. Well, there you go, my brothers and sisters. I think it might be a fuck up. Half of the breadcrumbs and half of the peanut butter is swimming round in the pan. So, I'm going to let these cool down now for about 5 minutes. I'm going to slice into them and we're going to check them out anyway. Right, that has cooled down, so let's get it sliced. I'm not saying this is going to be good. I'm not saying this is going to be bad. All I'm saying is, it's not turned out fuck all like I wanted it to. The chicken, incidentally, is cooked to absolute perfection. Fucking hell, it's still red hot though. Right, let's try it. Let's slide it down me gizzard. You know what? That is weirdly nice. It's still retained the peanut butter taste. Even though most of it's still a fucking frying pan. That is good. That is good. But I'm not finished there. I'm going to clean up this, get this on a plate for me tea. And I did another one, exactly the same. But I cooked it in the air fryer. So any second, that's going on my cutting board. And I'm going to try that. And slide that down my gizzard. And as promised, there is my air fryer. Peanut butter chicken. Now, it come out looking a lot better. It's cooked exactly the same. Only, it's fucking hot as well. Look. Oh. But it's kept more of the crust. And it's not swimming, doing the backstroke in a load of fucking oil. So let's slide, on the part of the bastard. Slide that down my gizzard. Oh. Right, listen. Right. I should have done that in the air fryer. Oh, I've done it in the oven. I did it in the air fryer because it's quicker. That is fucking superb. That kicks the ass of that. Look. And that was good. That's got a damn sight more peanut butter taste to it. I'm being an Oldham fan right now, with all the doom and gloom that's going around the club right now. You need something like that to bring your spirits back up. And yes, that was my peanut butter chicken. Deep fried it was okay. In the air fryer it was superb. And I'm dedicating that video tonight to all those hardened fucking Oldham fans out there. Listen, we've got it bad right now. We don't know what's going to happen with our club. Is this it going to survive? We don't know. Our support, listen, Paul Scholes, not that you'll see this or know who the fuck I am, but I speak for nobody, right? I speak for myself. I do not blame you for 1 second, right? But that second one was superb. The first one was superb. This video is fucking dog shit. But hey, listen, should we have some of this? 1 minute, I've got to compose myself.
We're the boys in blue. Woo, 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 and we'll win for you. Woo, 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 woo. Because the Latics will do anything for Oldham. We're the boys in blue. Woo, 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 woo. We're the boys in blue. Woo, 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 woo. And we're going to win it all, 'cause we're the boys in blue.
So if you like it, press like, comment, share it on your social media, and subscribe. And become a family member of hashtag Team CTP, hashtag Oldham Athletic. And guess what? I fucking love you.